In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Binance from TradingView Mobile. We'll do everything inside the TradingView app on your phone, so have it open and ready. This process links your TradingView charts with Binance, so you can see account data and place trades directly from the chart, all in one place. From the bottom toolbar, tap Chart. That opens a full chart, and most importantly, reveals the trading panel controls we need. Next, look along the bottom of the screen for the broker icon and tap it. This opens the trading panel. If you've never connected a broker before, the panel may be empty or suggest connecting one. If you're already connected to something else, you'll see that name listed. At the top of that panel, tap the current broker name, then choose Connect to another broker. This brings up TradingView's list of supported brokers and exchanges. Use the search bar to type Binance. When Binance appears, tap it, then tap Connect. TradingView will redirect you to a secure sign-in flow managed by Binance. Authenticate using the option you prefer. Enter your email or continue with a passkey, Google, Apple, or Telegram. Follow the prompts on screen to authorize the connection. Make sure you're on the official sign-in page, use a trusted network, and never share one-time codes or recovery phrases with anyone. When the sign-in is successful, you'll be returned to TradingView, and the trading panel will show Binance as the active connection. You should now see status indicators and be ready to trade directly from the chart using your Binance account. That's the whole flow. Open TradingView Mobile, go to Chart, tap the broker icon, open the broker menu, choose Connect to another broker, search for Binance, hit Connect, and sign in using your preferred method. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to sync and then reopen the broker panel. You've successfully added Binance from TradingView Mobile. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother trading experience right inside your charts.